We are at a trifecta for records. The Dow, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000 on track, all of them for record closes. Right now, the Dow is up 951, so we're off of session highs. Doesn't matter, still a record. S&P up 139, off of session highs. Doesn't matter, still a record. Now, here we go. We've got just over 6 minutes to go until we get SpaceX's first earnings report since its record-shattering IPO. We are moments away from that. CEO Elon Musk going to be facing tough questions on that earnings call. SpaceX shares have plunged 24% since the June IPO, erasing nearly $500 billion in market value. Now, analysts are expecting a loss of 26 cents a share, a loss, but can Musk convince Wall Street the company can reach escape velocity once again? What are the questions going to be on that call? Let's bring in Argent Capital Management Portfolio Manager Jed Ellerbroek. And you know what, Jed? I think what I've been reading, a lot of the commentary going into this call, is it's going to be about his plans for space. He's talked so much about wanting to build these data centers in space. Why is that interesting? Because we're getting so much pushback on Earth about these data centers, not in my backyard. Your thoughts?
Yeah, full reusability of the Starship rocket is so important for the broader investment thesis for SpaceX investors. It's important for the Starlink business to launch as many satellites quickly into orbit to fuel that, the operations of that segment. And then, orbital data center is highly reliant on rapid reusability of those Starship rockets. So that is kind of the core to the investment thesis for SpaceX, and investors are going to be, I think, more excited and interested in talking about that on this first earnings call than the numbers themselves.
Well, what do you make about the lockup? Because 20% of insider shares are going to unlock on the 6th. And so does that create more volatility in the stock? What do you think that happens then?
Yeah, I think that the upcoming lockups and also the humongous nature of the IPO just a couple months ago leaves investors uncomfortable and concerned. That amount of new supply of shares just makes any buyer hesitant. And so this first lockup, which will happen here at the end of this week, about 20% of shares, I think is going to perhaps be a catalyst for the stock if earnings and the commentary are positive here tonight.
All right, let's get to some of your picks before we close out the show. Your first one's Apollo. They actually came out with earnings this morning, but they missed on earnings. They missed the estimates, and they're saying that there's weakness in the private equity business. Did that surprise you?
No, it didn't. Apollo's primary business, about 80% of their revenues comes from credit origination. So private equity is smaller for Apollo than it is for, say, Carlyle or Blackstone. If you look at Apollo's core business, that credit origination business, things are going really well. Fundraising is strong, and demand for credit in the U.S. economy is growing fairly rapidly. So this is a really positive operating environment for Apollo, and I think that's why you see the stock doing well here today.
You also like NVIDIA, and it's interesting because this actually ties back to SpaceX, because I was looking at some headlines here on SpaceX, and actually they're just inking a deal they're partnering with NVIDIA. SpaceX is designing the Starmind A11, I believe, satellite compute payload. But NVIDIA is one of your picks.
Yeah, we think NVIDIA's business is growing at a really an incredible rate. Investors have been so excited really year to date to invest in these areas of shortage within the data center CapEx beneficiary group. NVIDIA isn't one of those. NVIDIA is not an AMD or a Micron that's benefiting from shortages, but they just have persistently strong demand, and their innovation is what's made this accelerated computing cycle possible. We expect really strong revenue and earnings growth from them when they report in 3 weeks, and we think that earnings estimates for future quarters and years are going to go up, probably double digits on the back of that earnings report. You put all that together, combined with a stock that's reasonably priced, is one of our favorite ideas. Sorry to keep going.